Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this Realme C31 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can enable the separate number row on the keyboard on this device. So as you can see right now, there is no separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard. In order to enable this row, all you gotta do is open up the settings. Here, go for the system, languages and inputs. Choose the keyboard that is currently on at your device. In my case, it's Gboard. So go to the on-screen keyboard, Gboard, and at the Gboard settings, choose Preferences. And here, just turn on this number row switch. And as you will see from now on, there is the separate number row on top of your keyboard, right on top of the characters on it. So that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!